find some light here, but we're back at Houston Raceway Park. It's a little bit of a crowded night, so I'm trying to stay away from getting into staging lanes yet because there's a lot. But we may only get 1 or 2 passes in the night, but got the cam in it now. We made those 1/8 mile passes. I'm pretty sure it's going to go on the 12s tonight. So we may only get 1 or 2, but if we nail it the first pass, we might load up and roll because there's some big car show here tomorrow, and I don't think we want to be part of that. So anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna put some transmission fluid in the truck. I'm sure you can't see me because the lights went out. There we go. I'm gonna put some transmission fluid in it. I think I might check the tune real quick, and then we're gonna go get in the staging lanes. So there we go. That first pass was pretty terrible. I lined up in the street tire lanes, and that's my fault. So now I'm in the lanes for radials and slicks. And we went 105 miles an hour, so that's 5 miles an hour faster than I ran last time I was here, and a 1460, but that's kind of insignificant right now. But we're gonna give it another try and hopefully have better results, because it wheel hopped bad and made a lot of noise I don't like. So if it does it again, I think we're gonna call it a night. But I literally think it's just I didn't do a good enough burnout and I wasn't in the right lane. So back in lanes, ready to make another pass. I'm about to get my butt worked with an Audi. Okay, so that was a fantastic pass through the Dakota. 12:56 at 106, and I've made a couple adjustments on the tune, and we're just gonna run it one more time, see what happens. I'm just stoked. So, yeah. Well, good morning, everybody. It was such a good night last night. On that last pass, the density altitude was like negative 115 feet below sea level. So you can't ask for better air. I couldn't ask for a better pass. 1247 at almost 107. Just super happy with the way the thing performed with the cam only and converter. And the Dakota's ready for some more testing for the bracket race I got coming up. So pretty excited to compete in that. Definitely got to work on my reaction time skills, but so cool to see such an improvement, almost a full second with just the camshaft. And I was blowing the tires off if I tried to leave too hard. So if it hooks, even better, maybe with some slicks and some traction bars that are actually not just old school slapper bars. There may even be more in it. I know that's kind of cliche to say, but right now I'm really happy with it, and I think I can get it pretty consistent. So I'm gonna pull it off the trailer and put it up and see what we're working on next. I'm trying to decide if I should pull the motor out of the Nova and kind of go through that, because that thing's a little worn out. So I'm not sure what's up next, but thanks for coming along as always, and until next time, you know the deal. Y'all be good.